Now, a lot of us have vines in our yards, either climbing up on walls or trellises or trying to hide those ugly spots of the garden. For instance, my vine here, I'm hiding a big guy wire here that's used to hold up a telephone pole. So this time of year I like to go through and try to kind of evaluate what my vine has done over the winter time. So for instance, it's getting kind of a little unruly from the winter. I had it tied up and some of the twigs might have come off, or it's starting to get ready to flush its growth. So now's kind of a good time to go through and evaluate what the vine is doing and to get it ready for all of its new growth. So for instance, here I have all of these shoots that have come up. I had some old twine that had kind of broken off from years past that I've been trimming. So what I'm going to do is a couple different things. You can go through and either chop and prune back and train a lot of these, or you can wrap it up. So since I'm getting kind of big and it carried away here, I'm going to go through, now that I can see where it's starting to leaf out, I can start either removing some of these big shoots just by chopping them off and then allowing the new growth to start shooting up, or I can go through and take some landscape twine or some of the green ribbon or tape, and I can go through, kind of bunch these together, and I'll just wrap these around the line just to kind of give it a little bit of shape, and so I can kind of see where it's going. So once I wrap that, I can tie it up pretty easily, and that will give me kind of my base as to what I'm doing. Then I can go through and I'll start trimming off some of these extra ones just to kind of give it a little shape, give it a little bit more definition. And then as these new growth come up, I can continue to wrap and twine these as it goes up there. So that's our tip for the week. I hope that helps. And if for other information on vines and wrapping it up, you can go to gardentime.tv. Thanks.